Rising Era Dynasty Incorporated offers a line of products that gives proper nutrition and promotes wellness to the body. Our vision is to continuously create a long-term relationship with our distributors and create a top-of-mind product for our consumers. And we understand that we can achieve this vision if we will embrace new ideas and continuously be hungry for innovative marketing strategies.
Nanusai is an abbreviation of Natural Nutrition Science. Our expertise in producing and manufacturing natural and well-researched products cater to current demands and market needs. Nanusai Inc. has its roots in the pioneer producer of highest quality spirulina in the Philippines. The corporation is a result of the collaborative competencies of each pioneer team, composed of members with diverse skills. We specialize in the research, development, production, and marketing of natural nutrition science-based food and food supplement products.
We dedicate ourselves in providing world-class products that promotes wellness and that gives proper nutrition to the body. We are also the pioneer and we are taking the lead in producing products for
Good morning, Irans. We are now here at Subic sa mansion ng ating manufacturer ng ating Co-Essentials bahay ni Miss Sheila Tiro. And it's a privilege na we were invited to be here and also to visit our farm. Mamaya, you have to watch it out kung paano ginagawa yung ating mga produkto. And I'm sure pag nakapunta kayo dito, talagang isa different experience kasi not only you will experience what the elite experience, but of course you will see kung paano ginagawa yung ating mga produkto and how the testing, paano nila bottle, paano sila nagtatanim ng spirulina. So it's a great privilege na nandito kami.
Dito kami ngayon sa actual farm ng Go Green Spirulina.
So nakakatuwa kasi sa medyo matagal-tagal na din ako nag-spirulina pero ngayon lang ako nakapunta sa paggawaan ng spirulina.
Oh.
And ano din to ano tawag nito? FDA approved.
Yes.
FDA approved tapos pang export.
Alam nyo guys, ito ko yung matitikman ko na spirulina na ano to, fresh. Fresh! Dito kami mismo sa farm ng spirulina. Ang sarap! Ang sarap nga! Ang sarap! Pero ang tamis
Chocolate!
Solid! Diba sarap?
Walang langsa. Walang.
Alas walang tasa. So I hope guys, kayo na yung next na pupunta rito, okay? Yung next batch. And paalala ko lang, malapit na matapos yung ating Japan tour. I hope makasama natin kayo sa Japan tour. And of course, that's right after na mag-Korea kami. So yung mga nag-aapta lang po kasama sa Korea itong mga to eh. So see you there guys. Congratulations and see you very soon.
Spirulina benefits. 1. Detoxes heavy metals, especially arsenic. 2. Eliminates candida. 3. Improves fight against HIV/AIDS. 4. Helps prevent cancer. 5. Lowers blood pressure. 6. Reduces cholesterol. 7. Lowers chance of stroke. 8. Boosts energy. 9. Alleviates sinus issues. 10. Offers neuroprotection for brain disorders and memory boosting.